So welcome back, ladies and gents. So here we are. We had the video the other day regarding let me just zoom in, live camera movement on your stream, but we want to take this to the next level. So enhance. Let's get into it. So there are a few bits we are going to need. We are going to need a program called voice macro. So we go to the voice macro. I'll put the link of the website in the description, but this is it there. So, but yeah, it will be in the description. All we do is we scroll all the way down. It gives you all the descriptions of what it can do, but we want to download it. I just go to the installer. It's a setup installer. Just download that. We will download it. We'll open it up as well for you when it's finished. Why is it taking so long? There we go. It's only a small file anyway. So we load that up. There we go. We're going to show it on both screens. Voice macro. Just run the installer, open it up, and away you go. Right. You may need to run it as admin potentially, but I've not had the issue with that. So we open up voice macro. We'll do it on here. So once we open it up, you'll be greeted with different bits and pieces on here. You have got a few voice demo profiles.
Voice macro demo profile.
There we go. You can get it.
Voice macro demo profile. See you.
So we're going to go on OBS on the default one. This is the one I've set up for it. We're going to need to edit certain macros within it. So the other day we showed it in hotkeys. So on here, so we go hotkey settings. We go to your hotkeys. I'll just move it up here so you can see me. And so you got your hotkeys for when we did the where are we? A bit further down on this one at the moment. Yeah, there you go. So you got Alt 1, Alt 2, Control Alt 1, all these for moving your camera where you want it, because we set that up in the previous video. So we're going to show where we're going to go, because we'll do I don't know. We'll just do the next one along top left. We'll go top left. So what we need to do is we need to add a macro. Okay, we're going to call this one, because we already have. I'll just quickly show you. We have some in the. When I can, it works. Come on. Oh, it's over here. That's why. So we've already got some set up. I was looking at the wrong screen, like a noob. So we have already got some set up. We've got Control Alt 3 is one we want to add in. So these are ones I've set up with Leo on board. So ignore them at the moment. So we're going to add a new one in. So we're going to add a new. We're going to go top left. We're just going to go. Let's call it top left. Okay. Yeah, we'll call it top left. We're going to tick that one on. We need to add a keyboard shortcut. So we click this, and it was left Control, left Alt, and the number 3. We click OK. We click OK here. And then we save it. Now we say top left, and away it goes. You can set it up to do virtually absolutely anything. So if you've got other commands, so like I've got enhance, doesn't always work. So you are working on the profile, but if you take a slight pause, enhance, there we have it. It's quite simple. Again, play around with the software. I've not quite fully deep dive into it. I know there are a few other videos about, but just your world's your oyster. But it's handy when you're playing a game and you can go camera top right, and you move top right. Obviously, you have to set the move transitions up, so like we did in the previous video. So I will link that in the description, and it will probably be up in a card up in the on the top as well. But just enjoy. Get creative, make new stuff. It's brilliant. So as for this time, enhance. See, it didn't always work, so you got to give it a chance. Enhance. See you in the next one. Peace out.